Hey everybody, and welcome back to Miss D's Pantry, and today I am making my version of that viral feta pasta. Before we get this video started, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell button. Okay, so I'm going to start with a baking pan. I have some cherry tomatoes in here, some green pepper, and some onions. So you're going to preheat your oven to 350, and I'm going to add some extra virgin olive oil to the pan. I'm also going to add some salt, and I'm going to add some pepper to this. And you are going to want to season this pretty well, as this is the main part of your seasoning. I'm also going to add parsley, and I'm cooking some bacon to go along with this because I don't have another protein in this. So I'm going to cook some bow ties and then drain them and reserve some pasta water. After about 20 minutes, I'm going to take it out, and I'm going to add goat cheese and some red pepper flakes on top and cook that for about 30 minutes. I don't like feta, so we're going with goat cheese. After it comes out, you're going to add the bow ties and a little bit of pasta water, and you're just going to mix this up together. At this point, you want to taste this and see if you possibly need to go back and do some more seasoning with this. But it was really creamy, and it came out a great consistency, as you can see here. And I'm going to chop up that bacon as well that I cooked earlier and add that to this, and then give it another stir. And that was it. It was really simple. If you've tried this, let me know in the comments below, and comment any other questions you have. And I thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.